My goodness. Swear. Do you love HomeGoods that much too? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having a great December so far. I am bringing you guys a HomeGoods haul today. I'm so excited because I have not been to HomeGoods in a few weeks, and yes, that is a long time for me. So I went today for the first time and I went a little crazy, but it's okay. So first thing I'm gonna start off with, because I'm sure you guys saw this in the thumbnail, but wow. This is a terracotta artesian vessel, however you want to call it. I'm going to show you the price because you guys will not believe me. This was $24.99. I could not believe it. This thing doesn't even fit in the camera. That's how huge it is. And it's so heavy and just great quality. I can't wait to get some like dry florals, or even pampas grass would look so good in here. I cannot wait. That thing is heavy. You guys know that I love my geodes, my crystals, and this was such a steal. This thing is huge. I'm gonna put in a clip of the other geodes that they had because they were humongous. And I'm seriously kicking myself for not getting them because they were $59.99, I believe, but they were massive. Like, I've never seen a geode that huge and that great of a price. So definitely check your HomeGoods. But this was $19.99 and it is huge. I can't wait to place this on my dresser. Next, I got some coasters. These are like a white stone with this red like marble detailing. And I just love these because I think they're gonna look so perfect for Christmas, and they have like a little bit of a sparkle. Might be hard to see on camera, but they are just so cute. And these were only $7.99. Next, I have these little coffee syrups, and I actually got this as a gift for someone. Not gonna say who in case they're watching this, but this is just the cutest thing ever. And we have hazelnut, salted caramel, vanilla, caramel, Irish cream, and cinnamon. And I just think that this is the most perfect gift ever. And if you love coffee, I think that you would just love trying these different syrups. And this is a skinny syrups brand, which is like sugar-free. It's supposed to be healthier, and I don't think it has calories or something like that, but it's healthier than normal like Starbucks syrups. I found this soap, which I'm so excited about because it is glass, so I can reuse it and just refill it with whatever soap. But it just looks so aesthetic, and it is a light green color, so once again, perfect for Christmas. And this was only $7.99. Next is this cute little charcuterie or cutting board, but this is just so adorable, and it was only $7.99, so great price. Next is this hand soap, which is spiced gingerbread, and this would be a great gift as well. It has this little gold stamp, which just looks so like high-end, and it honestly smells really good. I can smell it from like outside the packaging, and this was only $3.99. I went a little crazy with the candles as usual, but it's okay. First is silver spruce, and the packaging is just so cute. I always love to repurpose my Kindle packaging and use them for anything around my house, like makeup brushes, anything like that is just so awesome because, I mean, who wants to throw this away? It's so cute. So this was only $9.99. It smells like a Christmas tree. It just smells so good. Then we got this guy. This is vanilla balsam. This one smells like baked goods. It smells like sugar cookies. It smells so delicious. I can't wait to burn this. And this was only $14.99. Then we have this gal right here. This is ginormous, and I honestly don't even want to burn it because it just smells so freaking good. This one is peppermint bark, and it smells exactly like peppermint bark. Like, I want to eat this. And this was $24.99, which I cannot believe because you usually find like the Bath & Body Works candles for $24.99, and this is like quadruple the size. So very exciting. Last but not least, this is definitely one of my favorites as well, and this is a Vogue coffee table book, and this is just stunning. It just looks like so high-end and fashionable, and I'm just so excited because I've seen the normal like black and white coffee table books, and those are gorgeous as well, don't get me wrong, but they are hella expensive, and I just feel like everyone kind of has those ones, and this one is just so unique. I haven't seen one with this cover yet, so this was a great find. And wow, okay, so I'm looking at the like price on the actual coffee table book, and it says $100, but I got this for $59.99, and yes, that is a little bit pricey, but I think the regular like black and white ones on Amazon are around $80. So I definitely think that this was a great find. And the cool thing about this, so if you don't like the cover, you could always take the cover off, and then it's like this black. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Vogue, and then it says the fantasy and fashion underneath, and then it also has Vogue on the spine. So maybe if you like a little bit more of the sleek looking coffee table books with not too much color, then you might want to take it off, but I just think that this is gorgeous. So that is it for the HomeGoods haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I want to just ask, if you guys aren't already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss the next video, and we will see you tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas!